I spend a ridiculous amount of time searching for useful Amazon products so you don't have to. And today, I've found 17 kitchen gadgets that are smarter, more useful, and more satisfying than I expected. Some of these can cut your food prep time in half. One can keep your food fresh for weeks longer, and another completely changed the way I cook at home. But here's the challenge. Try to watch this entire video without adding at least one of these gadgets to your wish list. Let's see if you can do it. This looks like a regular spice grinder, until it starts working by itself. One press is all it takes to grind fresh salt or pepper while the built-in LED light shows exactly where it's landing. You can even adjust how fine or coarse the grind is. No twisting, no effort. Just perfectly seasoned food in seconds. It's one of those small upgrades that instantly makes your kitchen feel more expensive. But the next gadget turns pizza night into a strangely satisfying experience. Ever wondered why restaurant pizzas always look perfectly sliced while yours turns into a cheesy mess? Watch this. This giant rocker blade cuts through an entire pizza in a single motion. No dragging toppings, no uneven slices, and no fighting with a tiny pizza wheel. Just one smooth push and it's done. What's crazy is how satisfying it is to use. Thick crust, loaded toppings, extra cheese, it handles everything effortlessly. Honestly, after using this once, going back to a regular pizza cutter feels impossible. I thought every lighter did the same thing until I tried this. Instead of using a flame, this gadget creates an electric arc that works even in windy conditions. Candles, BBQs, campfires, it lights them in seconds. The best part? No fuel. Just recharge it with a USB cable and use it again and again. But here's what surprised me most. The long neck keeps your fingers safely away from the heat, making it much easier to use than a traditional lighter. And somehow, the next gadget saves even more time. How much time do you spend chopping vegetables every week? Because this gadget can turn 10 minutes of prep work into less than 30 seconds. Just place your vegetables inside, press down, and watch perfectly diced pieces fall into the container below. No knife skills required. I tested it with onions, carrots, and cucumbers, and the results were surprisingly consistent every single time. If you hate food prep, this might be your new favorite kitchen gadget. But wait until you see what's next. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to accidentally pour way too much oil? This gadget solves that problem instantly. With a simple squeeze, it creates a fine mist that evenly coats your food without drowning it in oil. Perfect for air fryers, salads, and grilled foods. What surprised me most was how much cleaner everything stayed. No oily drips, no messy countertops, and the next gadget makes healthy eating even easier. I used to think this gadget was completely unnecessary. Then I realized most people are eating soggy salads without even knowing it. Just wash your vegetables, press the button, and watch the excess water disappear in seconds. The difference in texture is actually surprising. Once you taste a truly crisp salad, it's hard to go back. And somehow, the next gadget is even more useful. Ever followed a recipe perfectly and still had it turn out wrong? There's a good chance your measurements were the problem. This digital scale gives precise readings in seconds, making baking, meal prep, and portion control much more accurate. The crazy part is how often you'll find yourself using it after buying it. And if you think that's useful, wait until you see the next gadget. Grating cheese by hand is one of those kitchen jobs nobody enjoys. So check this out. Just drop your ingredients inside and rotate the handle. Freshly grated cheese comes out almost instantly. But it doesn't stop there. It also slices vegetables and grates nuts with almost no effort. Honestly, it feels like cheating. And the next gadget can completely upgrade your kitchen. Have you ever tried cutting a tomato with a dull knife? It's frustrating. This knife set makes slicing, chopping, and carving feel effortless thanks to its razor-sharp blades and comfortable grip. The difference is noticeable from the very first cut. And the built-in storage block keeps everything organized and within reach. But the next gadget could actually save you money. What if I told you most people throw away food because of one thing? This machine removes air from storage bags and helps food stay fresh much longer. Meat, vegetables, leftovers, it works on almost everything. The best part is seeing ingredients still look fresh weeks later when they would normally be wasted. And the next gadget makes breakfast ridiculously easy. Cooking eggs sounds simple until you're trying to get them perfect every single time. This gadget handles everything for you. Soft-boiled, hard-boiled, poached, even omelets, it does it all with the press of a button. No guessing, no timers, no overcooked eggs. If breakfast is part of your daily routine, this gadget can save you a surprising amount of time. But the next one is seriously high-tech. If you've ever cut into a steak just to check if it's done, you'll appreciate this. This wireless thermometer sends real-time temperature updates directly to your phone while your food cooks. No opening the grill, no losing heat, no guessing. What makes it even cooler is that you can monitor everything from another room. And the next gadget brings old knives back to life. Most people think they need new knives. What they actually need is this. Simply run a dull blade through the sharpening system and watch it regain its edge in minutes. The before and after difference is honestly shocking. Cutting becomes smoother, easier, and much safer. And finally, we've reached the gadget almost everyone overlooks. Want to know one of the fastest ways to make your kitchen look cleaner? Organize the area around your sink. This compact organizer gives every sponge, brush, and cleaning tool its own place while allowing everything to dry properly. It doesn't sound exciting until you see how much clutter it eliminates. It's simple, affordable, and surprisingly satisfying. Most blenders do a decent job, until you try blending something difficult. That's where this machine completely changes the game. Frozen fruit, ice cubes, nuts, hot soups, it powers through everything with ease, creating incredibly smooth results in seconds. What surprised me most wasn't the power. It was the convenience. Just add a little soap and water, turn it on, and it practically cleans itself. After seeing what this thing can do, a regular blender suddenly feels very limited. And the next gadget solves a problem almost everyone has in the morning. Ever tried fitting a large slice of bread into a toaster and realized it simply won't fit? This gadget fixes that instantly. Its extra long slot easily handles sourdough, artisan bread, bagels, and oversized slices without awkward positioning or uneven toasting. The best part is the adjustable browning control, allowing you to get the perfect level of crispness every time. It's one of those kitchen upgrades you don't think you need, until you use it once. And trust me, the next gadget makes kitchen cleanup much easier. What if your dish rack could actually help keep your countertop dry? This clever design does exactly that. Instead of letting water collect underneath, the angled drain board directs it straight back into the sink, reducing puddles and mess. There's plenty of room for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, while the removable cutlery holder keeps everything organized. It may not be the most exciting gadget on this list, but it quietly solves a problem you'll notice every single day. And honestly, that's what makes it so useful.